Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm okay.
MashaAllah. Lesson number 14. So here are the some cases of the Noon Sakin and Tanween. There are the few cases of the Gunna. Do you know what is Gunna?
Like nasalization.
Yeah, nasalization. So when we pronounce the sum of the words from the sum of the letters from the nose.
Mm.
Yeah. So actually there are the some cases or there are the some rules when we have to make Gunna, and there are the some rules as well when we don't have to make Gunna. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you have learned the lesson number 12, in lesson number 12 there are the two rules, and there are the two rules in the lesson number 14 as well. So first of all, let us talk about the Izhar and Iqfa. I'll just give you an introduction about it. Then I will listen the 2 to 3 words. Inshallah, we'll move back onto the lesson number 14. Okay.
Okay.
So here, so let me recite it. Then inshallah we'll continue our lesson. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson number 12, Noon Sakin and Tanween. So let us talk about first of all what is Noon Sakin and what is Tanween. I hope so you know that what is Noon Sakin. Let me tell you. Noon Sakin. So you know this is a letter Noon. If I would put a jazm sign, do you know this jazm sign?
The silent.
Yeah. When you pause on the sum of the letters, this is a jazm sign, and the letter that is carrying the jazm sign, that letter is called a sakin letter. So it is a noon sakin. If I would put for example, there is a letter wow. If I would put a jazm sign in it, it means it is wow sakin. What is it?
Waw sakin.
And tell me what is it?
Ba sakin.
Ba sakin, exactly. So actually there are the cases of noon sakin and tanween. So do you know what is tanween? Double fatha, double
Okay.
kasra. Yeah. So double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. It is called tanween. So you know noon sakin also it is pronounced from the nose, whereas when you say the tanween is also pronounced from the nose. It makes the nasalization. So actually there are the few cases in which when we have to make gunna on the noon sakin and the tanween. Let us talk about the first one. So in lesson number 12, there were the two cases. The first one was Izhar. So Izhar is the case. Actually, there are the four cases, let me tell you. There are the four cases of Noon Sakin and Tanween. Two of them is in the lesson number 12 and two of them is in the lesson number 14. So one of them is Izhar. Izhar is a case where we don't have to make gunna. There is a rule which we apply on the Noon Sakin and the Tanween, and we don't have to make gunna on them. So if we talk about Izhar, so in this thing you will know that halqiya letter. Do you know what are the halqiya letters or the throat letters? They are the 6 letters which we pronounce from the throat, and there are the few letters which we pronounce from the lips, and there are the few letters which are pronounced from the tongue. So the letters are divided into parts. So there are the 6 of the halqiya letters. Halqiya means the throat letters. There are 6 of them: Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, and Ha. Okay?
Okay.
Can you pronounce them?
Hamza, ha, ayin, ha, ghain, ha.
Ha. There it is written. If any of the halqiya letter, any of the throat letter is present after Noon Sakin or Tanween, is present after Noon Sakin or Tanween, double Fatha, double Kasra, and double Dhamma. If any of these 6 letters is pronounced after Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Izhar will be made. Izhar. Because we are reading about the rule Izhar. Means nasalization, Gunna will not be done whilst pronouncing such Noon Sakin and Tanween. Okay. So the halqiya letters are 6 in numbers, and they are Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Okay, let us talk about the example. Here you will see at the down. So you have already done it, so inshallah it will not take so much time. So how will you read it?
Mim, nun, kasra, min, hamza, fatha, a, min, a, jim, fatha, ja, min, aja, lam, double kasra, lin, min, aja, lin.
Good. You are pronouncing it good. So here we will talk about the izhar. In this word, the izhar rule is applied. Here you can see the Noon Sakin. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Noon Sakin?
Yeah.
So right after Noon Sakin, there is a halqiya letter, the throat letter, which is Hamza. So we have learned that if there is any of the halqiya letter, any of the throat letter after Noon Sakin, then Ghulna will not be done on the such Noon Sakin. Ghulna will not be done on the such Noon Sakin. So here we will not make gunna. Means the nasalization will not be done. We will say it like that. Min ajalin. I'll say it.
Min ajalin.
Yeah, don't make the gunna. Just say the noon normally. Min ajalin.
Min ajalin.
Yes, say this one without spellings.
Min hadin.
Good. So here you tell me, will we do gunna or not?
You will.
We will. But why?
Yeah. It's the ha letter
Ha.
after the noon
So
sakin.
so what is ha? I think so. Ha is one of the throat letter which we are pronouncing from the throat. Okay, say it with me. Ha.
Ha.
So it is a throat letter. We are pronouncing it from the throat. There is no tongue used in it, no lips. So it is just coming out from the throat. So it is a throat letter. So right after Noon Sakin, there is a ha, throat letter. So we will not make gunna on the such Noon Sakin. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Okay, say the next one.
Min alakin.
Say it again.
Min alakin.
Okay, brother, when you will see there is a fatha or kasra dhamma, don't strike them. Just say them quickly. Min alaqin.
Min alakin.
Yes. So tell me, will we be doing gunna here?
No.
Yes, no. What? Why no?
Because the ain.
Ain is a?
It's not
It's a throat letter. We are pronouncing from the throat. Ain.
yeah.
Yeah. So that's why we will not make gunna on the such Noon Sakin. Okay, see the next one.
Min min.
Yeah, it is it is not a bold calf. It is a calf normal letter. Min hakimin.
Min min.
Yes, that's good. So tell me, will we be make gunna on the such Noon Sakin?
Yes, because the ha.
Ha. Why ha?
Because it's a gunna letter.
It's not a gunna letter. You can feel that ha is also coming out from the throat. Ha. Okay. So it is
Okay.
also a throat letter. Okay. The problem is that inshallah we have to revise these such 6 letters. Then inshallah you will come to know that either I have to make gunna or not. Okay. So we will not make gunna here as well because there is a ha. Ha is one of the throat letter. Read this.
Min rin.
Okay. Better you make spellings.
Mim nun kasra min. Ghain fatha gha. Min gha fa wa damma fo. Min gha fo. Ra double kasra rin. Min gha fo rin.
Okay. Here we will stretch fu a little bit. Min ghafurin.
Min ghafurin.
Good. So here we will not be gunna as well because ghain, it is also coming out from the throat. Say it with me. Ghain.
Ghain.
Say this one.
Mim nun kasra min. Kha wa fatha khaw. Min khaw. Fa double kasra fin. Min khawfin.
Good. You read it very good. So here, will you make gunna?
No.
Because kha is also one of the throat letter. Okay. So I'm giving you a homework, a small homework that you have to learn these 6 letters. Okay. So the 6 letters is also divided into the 3 parts. So our throat is having the 3 parts from where we pronounce the letters. So first of all, if you talk about the group number 1, it is Hamza and Ha. So it is pronounced from the throat, from the bottom part of your throat. Say it with me. Ha. So these are pronounced from the bottom of your throat. So let us talk about the Ain and Ha. So these 2 letters are pronounced from the middle part of your throat. Say it with me. Ain. Ha. So these are pronounced from the middle of your throat. And the third and the top part of your throat, we pronounce Ghain. Kha. So there is a resemblance, it is a family, Ain and Ghain, Ha and Kha. So you can take the picture. Tomorrow, inshallah, I'll listen from you.
Okay.
So we have learned that there are the 4 cases regarding Noon Sakin and Tanween. First one we talked about is Izhar. The second one is Ikhfa. Then it is Idgham. And the fourth one is Iqlab. So the Idgham and Iqlab we will discuss in the lesson number 14. So right now we have to discuss what is Ikhfa. What is?
Iqfa.
Yeah. Okay, brother. Yeah, I'll also take the picture of this one. Tomorrow I will listen these two rules from you as well.
I took a picture.
Brother, is it difficult? I'm telling to you, is it difficult for you to understand, or I think so it's fine?
That's fine.
That's fine. Okay, that's good. So Ikhfa. The second one is Ikhfa. If any of the Ikhfa letter is present after Noon Saakinah or Tanween. In this we talk about the throat letters. Here it is Ikhfa letters. Is present after Noon Sakin or Tanween. Then nasalization Gunna will be done. Ikhfa will be made. Okay, so nasalization Gunna will be done whilst pronouncing such Noon Sakin and Tanween. The Ikhfa letters are 15 in numbers. How many Ikhfa letters are there?
15.
15. So you have taken the picture. So inshallah tomorrow I'll listen these 15 letters from you. So these 15 letters are, let me recite them. Ta, ta, Jim, Dal, Dal, Za, Sin, Shin, Swad, Bod, Ta, Va, Ta, Qaf, and Kaf. So there are the families as well. Ta, Tha is a family. Dal, Dal is a family. Sin, Shin, Swad, Bod, Ta, Va, Qaf, Kaf. So these are the 15 Ikhfa letters. If you found any of them after Noon Sakin or Tanween, then inshallah we will make Gunna. Then we will make
Gunna.
Gunna. So let us talk about the first one. Okay, there is a specific way to pronounce Ikhfa. It is not. It is a different Gunna. So when you will listen some qaris, inshallah you will hear the similarity between the way you are reading and them. So let us do the first one. Say make spellings.
Fa fatha fa. Mim noon fatha min man. Faman. Ta fatha ta. Faman ta. Ba kasra bi. Faman tabi. Ain fatha a. Faman tabi'a.
Yes. So here we will make Gunna on the such Noon Sakin because after Noon Sakin there is a letter Ta. So Ta is a
Ikhfa.
Ikhfa letter. So we will say like that. فَمَن تَبِعَ.
Faman tabi'a.
Good. Say this one.
Mim noon kasra min. Tha fatha tha. Min tha. Mim fatha ma. Min thama. Ro fatha ro. Min thamaro. Ta double kasratin. Min thamaratin.
Good. So we'll say like that. مِن ثَمَرَةٍ.
Min thamaratin.
Yes. So inshallah tomorrow we'll continue from here. So that is all for today. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, that's fine. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, thank you. Bye.